This is my OE summary discussion. My name's Todd Kandarian. The prompt that I chose to talk about was reflecting on the practices you have implemented. Which one did you find most successful and why? Share how it was implemented to provide your colleagues with ideas for how they might use the practice with their own students. What I chose to do was use formative opportunities to prepare students for summative assessments and assignments. So to implement the practice, here's what I did. I began giving one-question mini-quizzes each class session. Now, I had given quizzes in the past, every few classes, but sometimes they were 2 or 3 or 4 questions. And what I found was by giving these one-question mini-quizzes, I could focus them a little bit more and not overload them with too much information. I also created and administered ungraded practice forms for most class sessions so that students would have an opportunity to practice the skills that I was teaching in my math class, specifically in statistics. It's my belief that having these opportunities for practice is going to help sharpen those skills, and while they're working on that, I can circulate through the room and see what they're doing and give them tips and some timely feedback. So what were my results? Well, I found that this process of the one-question mini-quizzes and the practice forms that I've created really allows me to give students more immediate feedback. In math especially, correcting problematic ideas is very important because if you let those things go without addressing them, sometimes one problem turns into the next and it's a snowball effect. And it gives students an opportunity to address those problems or weaknesses before it's too late. So I encourage everybody to give this practice a shot and see if your students respond.